was it? It's only 3 a.m. in the morning, and I have slept for only 2 hours. Oh, in a forest? I never seen that before. Weird. Okay, what is it again? Last midnight, on September 20th, 2024, there was a weird guy with a science suit kidnapping 100 of my children inside a hole. I need you to save them for the love of God. By the way, their names are Gregs. Weird, right? Anyways, I need you to bring them back. Alright, I'll go save the children. As long as they are not in somewhere creepy. 'Cause I can't handle creepy stuff. Here goes nothing. No! 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 Oh my goodness, that was a long and scary fall. What is that? Oh my goodness! Oh, this is really scary. I gotta get the f out of here. The door just closed. Really? Here we go. In the scary place. I get to just save children in a fucking scary place. Cool. Trapped here.
Love you. Daisy, Daisy. Elfrey. It was me and the home. But you.
Die in fear? Well, too late, kid. You will. Hey there, kid. You all wake up. My gang are waiting for you so they can hear as a bullet snap. But if you finish all 3 more levels, then we're done. I'll let you escape this time. But if you lose, then you fight the pain, the torment, the suffering, and the fear. Well, good luck.
And is here.
Hello there, welcome to my flashlight shop. If you want to buy some flashlight, then go ahead. But just remember, thank you so much for buying the last flashlight. Since you bought the last flashlight, I'll give you a grade for buying.
Come back here.